My name is Sahil, and in this video, I will be sharing my analysis on SBI card. So, this analysis will be for swing trade, and if you like my analysis and want to take trade in this script, you might wanna add this stock in your watch list. So, let's start with our analysis. So if we try to understand how the price is moving in this script, so as we can see, the price has been continuously forming higher and higher low. So we can definitely tell that the stock is in uptrend. So now what I see is if we draw a channel type pattern here, so as you can see, it has been taking support for two times and now it is approaching this area for the third time. And also it has been taking resistance at the upper trend line for uh, three to four times. So we can say that this channel pattern is valid. And again, what I see here is if we draw an area like this, so this area is strong support for this it is basically strong support here, and since it is approaching here, it will act as a point of confluence, area of confluence, sorry. So there is also support by the trend line and this area. So and again, another reason for the trade might be, so if I draw fib retracement level from here to here, so as you can see, the price is approaching, it has crossed the 50% level and it is approaching to the 60% level. So one might take a long trade it here, and our stop loss will be really small here. So if we talk about the stop loss and target, so if we I will definitely suggest that do not take trade when the price once price come here, wait for the reversal, let price show some reversal, form some bullish candlestick patterns. So after that only we can go and take long trades. So how I will basically take trade is, so as you can see, the price has been, if I draw a trend line here, the price has been taking resistance at this trend line. So if price comes at this area and takes some, let me draw. So if price comes here and breaks this trend line with good volumes, do check volumes for this. If it breaks the trend line with good volumes, we can go long here. Our stop loss will be somewhere here and our target will be till here, or we might expect it to break even this level. So basically what I will be going to do, I may book my 75% of positions here and I may carry 25%. So this is another thing. And again, one more reason is basically, if I remove all this, so if I add an indicator, this RSI indicator at 1 hour time frame, so what I see is, as we can see, there is a bullish divergence we can see here. So as price is forming lower low, but the RSI is moving high, so we can see a bullish divergence here. So yes, these are some reasons why I feel this will be a good swing trade. So yes, that's it for this video. So if you like my analysis, do like press that like button and do follow me for further such videos. That's it. Thank you.